I'm Andrew Jenkinson, the Caravan Expert, and welcome to my Caravan channel. I'm here at the Manchester show, and Lunar have made a presence on Campbell's stand, which is great. And also, I know I've done quite a lot of stuff on Lunar, and I think deservedly so. I'm now looking at their new 524, which is in obviously the Quasar. Now, I've not seen this van before. Obviously, it's a continuation of the old Quasar from 2019, but I'm looking at the new version. And to be quite honest, I was just thinking, it's made an absolute brilliant couple's van. So it's a 4-berth, it's a side dinette with bunk above and a lounge here at the front, side kitchen and then washroom. But I'm now going to take you around on a bit of a tour of it and see what you think. I think it's a really nice van, and I really do wish Lunar well, because you know, they've had a lot of problems in other areas which we can't go into on this video, but I'm going to show you around it now. I'm going to start off with the front lounge where I've just been sat in, and of course these can be used as 2 singles or a massive double bed, which is easily made up. Now that's easily made up because what Lunar do is use these slide outs. As I've said before, she's far superior, I think, to using slats. You've got your chest of drawers there, you've got great lighting. If I did have a criticism to make at the moment at this stage, it would be that sunroof really needs to be made wider. I think it is a bit small. But then again, you get quite a bit of shelf space there, and like I said, good lighting as well. The seats are comfortable, and there's also access flaps beneath the seat, so it makes getting out your bedding a lot easier. The kitchen in the Quasar is pretty well equipped. You've got a full fridge there, the freezer, and also you've got the latest Thetford oven, complete with a dual fuel hob, of course. Good round size sink. LED lighting just below the front locker here, or should I say side locker, and of course the must-have microwave. And you've also got your controls here for your lighting as well, and also for your Truma heater, which is obviously an excellent form of heating. I'm a Tourer over the old Truma heating, and you've got lots of work surface, even added with this fold-up flap. You've really got plenty of work surface, and there's plenty of storage in the way of drawers as well. So good strong drawers, plenty of them. There you go. In fact, storage in the Quasar is pretty good actually, in all fairness. There's plenty of it around. Cupboard here, and also a place here to put your telly. And this little cupboard actually stores your curtain for the bunk, for privacy at night. Because of course this side dinette makes up into a bunk bed as well. This is a really ideal couple's van. I always think that was very good. I favourite it.
Somewhere to wait.
Brilliant locker storage. Looking down the centre into the lounge, you can see how spacious the Quasar is. It's only 7'2" wide. Lunar have always had this knack of making their Taurus feel wider than what they actually really are. Going into the bathroom, well, it's obviously, like we said, an end washroom, but there's the Thetford cassette loo in there, of course, and Lunar also fit a side window, which is good. It's a decent sized one as well. And it's all rather nicely put together, all nicely practical, lots of floor area. shower is up to usual Lunar standards, of course, and it's a decent sized shower. It's a moulded complete unit. There's no roof vent in there, which is a bit of a shame, but you do have one very close by. But it's a good shower, very, very large, ideal for adults and children, no problem at all. Where you get some a bit small. Storage, well, again, you can't go wrong. The freestanding table, of course, is kept in here. This is a smaller wardrobe. There is another one I'll show you just in a minute. And there's also a handy cupboard below here, which has some nifty drawers in. Of course, there's the wardrobe, and there's some storage underneath there as well, with some shelves in there. And I reckon there's enough storage here for 4 people, should a family use it. So just before a nice big sink, and some more storage there with shelving in. Yeah, it's a very well planned out washroom, just what you'd expect really from Lunar. So let's see what we think. Well, overall, what do we think? Well, it's just quid short of 20k. I think it offers pretty good value for money. It's also only 1325 kilos MTPLM, so you're not as restricted to towing as you would be with some other manufacturers' models. Yeah, it's lightweight. The build quality isn't bad at all. Especially this is a prototype, and I've not really found anything that's coming away or whatever like I do find in some prototypes when I visit the trade shows. All in all, the Quasar, this layout, I think really works well, and I'm just glad that Lunar have decided to keep this layout, because some of the manufacturers have dropped it. But I think for a couple who want to take their grandchildren, they can use this to make up as a bed, or even better still, you can leave that made up as a bed and use this as a side dinette. Best of both worlds. Please subscribe to this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you shortly.